What is going on, Fishless fam? Welcome back to another episode from the Fishless Fisherman. Yours truly just hiked 2 miles deep into the woods to get to this secluded spot over on the riverbank today. And what we're going to be doing is targeting Shellcracker. And then we're going to hopefully have a fish fry right here next to the river. So I want to give a shout out to Shenanigans Fishing. I received a sticker of her logo in the mail the other day, so I'm going to leave a link to her YouTube channel in the description, so check her out. She's on her way to 1,000 subscribers. Also, if you'd like to correspond with me or have me send you a Fishless Fisherman sticker, I'm going to leave my email address in the description as well. It's thefishlessfisherman@gmail.com. So send me your information and I'll make sure to get something out to you. Alright, let's get started and see what we can do. Alright guys, I think I'm finally getting something. Let's see what we got. Alright, finally. First catch of the day is a baby shellcracker. So it's the right species we're after, but a little bit too small, but that's a good sign because at least we finally got something on the hook. So let's throw this one back for good measures and then we'll cast again. Let's see. There you go. First one of the day, first little shellcracker. Let's see if they're starting to bite now. Alright, that's what we're after. We just need the big ones. The bigger ones for our fish fry. Let's see what we can do here. And they're starting to move back in. Here we go, all of a sudden getting another bite. So maybe they're moving back in. So I've been out here an hour and haven't gotten a bite, and now I've got 2 in the last 2 casts, so I'm getting a bite, guys. Let's see what we got here. He feels pretty good. Come on, take it. Take it. Alright, I think I got him. Oh yeah, this feels like a pretty decent sized one. Heck yeah, there you go. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That's what we're after. There's a good shellcracker right there. See that? We're gonna put this one on the stringer for sure. Check that out. So I think we fine. Stop. Settle down. Poking the heck out of me, dude. Look at that. We'll get this one on the stringer. There you go, first one of the day. There you go. We're having at least one fish for a fish fry today. Heck yeah, boy. Alright guys, so we got the first fillet right there. Now we're going to work on the other side. Alright, so we got the fillets marinating right now in the Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce. Let them sit in there for a little while, get good and coated up, and then we're going to put these in our Louisiana fry mix and deep fry these things up and have a little lunch alongside the river here. Got my little Coleman stove going. And we got our frying pan. Warming up. Get that warm up there, get good and hot. We're gonna deep fry some shellcracker. All right, that grease is ready to go. All right, here we go. First shellcracker fillet going into the grease. Oh yeah, these are golden brown, ready to come off. Let's see what we got. Let those cool off for a minute, then we'll give it a taste test. Alright guys, here we go. So I've got fried shellcracker, marinated in hot sauce, deep fried to a nice golden brown out here at the river. Literally, this shellcracker was caught out of here maybe 15 minutes ago. So anyway, let's give it a taste test. Oh, it's good. Yeah, the hot sauce really adds some flavor to it. Oh, I'm gonna give this 2 thumbs up for sure. You can hear that crunching. Oh yeah, that's good. Anytime you can come out, do a little fishing, and then enjoy a nice lunch at the same place where you just pull them out of. It's always a good day. So, Mom, I love you and miss you. I wish you were here with me right now enjoying this. All right, Fishless fam, I'm going to sign off here. One more bite, but you guys have a good one, and I'll catch you on the next one.